Hello everyone, welcome back to MT4 Trade Manager EA. In today's video, we introduce you new long and short buttons. By these buttons, you would place market orders and pending orders at the right volume in the simplest ways. Let's start with the short button to place a market sell order. In the entry dashboard, click on the short button to draw entry rectangles, then adjust the stop-loss line to a desired price. Then double-click on the green rectangle to select it. Move the lower edge to take the profit target price. By default, EA applies 1% of the balance for any order. Now, click on the Market Sell button, verify and confirm your order. Then wait for a new tick to come and the EA will place a market sell order. By the way, there are some cool buttons here for instant actions such as break even, close 50% or 100% of position. Let's move on to placing a sell limit order. Under the entry dashboard, click on the short button. Then adjust the stop-loss price. Select the green rectangle and adjust the upper edge to the entry target price. And then adjust to the lower edge to your TP target. You can also see the reward-risk ratio information. For example, if you want to risk $300 for this trade, let's update it here. Then click on the pending sell button. And wait for a new tick to come. EA will place a sell limit order as you wanted. For limit orders, it is important to delete the order when the expiration time elapsed. The right edge of the rectangle is the expiration timestamp. The last demonstration for the short button is to set up a sell stop order. Open the entry dashboard, then click on the short button to draw an entry object. Then move the stop-loss line to a proper position. And double-click to select the green rectangle. Move the upper edge to the entry target price and move the lower edge to the target TP. For sell stop order, the entry price is lower than the current market price. Tune your order properly. Update your desired volume for the trade if you do not want EA to take 1% of the balance as the default setup. Hit on the pending sell button and wait for one tick to come. EA will place a sell stop order as you wish. It is similar to the sell limit order. The sell stop order also has an expiration time, which is represented by the right edge of the entry rectangle. Now, let's continue with the long button to place a buy order. In the entry dashboard, click on the long button, then adjust the stop-loss line to a desired price. Then, double-click on the green rectangle to set up your take-profit target. By default, it risks 1% of the balance per trade. However, you can modify the amount here. Lastly, click on the M buy button to place a market buy order with the expected stop-loss, take profit, and volume. Once a new tick comes, EA will place a buy order for you as your setup. Let's move on to placing a buy limit order with the long button. After adjusting the stop-loss line, double-click to select the green rectangle, then move the lower edge to your entry target price. Then adjust the upper edge of the rectangle for the TP target. For example, you want to risk $300 for this trade. Finally, click on the Pending Buy button to place a buy limit order. the EA will execute it as soon as a new tick comes. The last function of the long button is to place a buy stop order. Click on the long button to draw the entry object on chart. Then you adjust the stop loss price, take profit price and entry price. For buy stop order, the entry price is higher than the current market price. For example, you want to risk $500 for this trade. The last step to place a buy stop order, you simply click on the pending buy button. As soon as a new tick comes, the EA will execute your instruction. A buy stop order is placed with your desired setup of stop loss, take profit, entry price, and volume of $500. There is another way to use the long and short buttons on MT4 Trade Manager EA. In stock and crypto markets, it is essential to measure the percentage of the increment or decrement of the market. In this demonstration, let's measure how much the dive of Bitcoin from its all-time height in 2021 and its dip in 2022. Click on the short button, then double-click on the green rectangle to select it. Then move the upper edge of the rectangle to the highest price. Then move the lower edge to the bottom price. Now, it shows that Bitcoin dumped more than 77% from the top to the dip in the previous cycle. Similarly, click on the long button to measure how much BTC surged from the dip to the recent height in April 2024. Then double-click on the green rectangle to select it. Move the lower edge to the bottom price. Then move the upper edge to the target price. Now, it shows that Bitcoin pumped around 372% from the dip to the top. Let's download MT4 Trade Manager EA, then try it. It is totally free on demo trading account. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.